We're going to have a wide range of presentations focusing on very specific aspects such as acoustic performance, representation, sustainability, and so on.
So during both today's and yesterday's sessions, I've managed to, first of all, reconnect with a few people that I didn't manage to speak for a long time, especially the ones from academia. It's been fantastic to see that there is such an effort to make facade solutions and analysis more efficient, both in terms of time for simulations and also user-friendly simulations. So I'm definitely going to get back to my team and show them that there are tools which were being presented both yesterday and today that we can start using on our day-to-day practice.
I've been attending because I'm interested. I already attended Façade Tectonics in the US, and I think it's a good balance for me because I'm working primarily in the US to come and understand what Europe is doing versus the US.
I think it was great, because I could associate the seminar session with a beautiful contrast between two approaches, conventional and innovation.
A lot of things that I learned at school that probably you learned also are not wrong, but can be improved somehow.
The keynotes really triggered me as well. So next to, say, the scientific content, the pure engineering content, I was amazed about the keynotes, very well chosen.
Probably the biggest takeaway from this whole event was the fact that people are looking, all the companies, all the industries is looking around at what must be done, what are the right things to be done. Yeah, there is interest in subjects like sustainability and AI, and that we are not sticking with the old ways, but we're always trying to improve and make things better. This makes me feel very good about working in the industry.
Dance.